Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mamaearth Vitamin C Facial Kit. First, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed to remove any makeup or impurities. Next, wash your hands well to maintain hygiene throughout the process. Finally, gather all the kit's components and a soft towel so everything is ready for a smooth and relaxing experience. Now, let's begin with the first step. Gently apply the cleanser from the kit all over your face and neck, massaging it in to remove surface impurities. After cleansing, take the scrub and apply it, using gentle circular motions for about 2 minutes to exfoliate your skin. Finish by rinsing off the scrub completely with lukewarm water.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Moving on to the second step, it's time for the nourishing massage. Take a generous amount of the massage cream from your kit. Apply it evenly and gently massage your face and neck using upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps improve blood circulation and deeply moisturizes your skin. Afterwards, simply wipe off any excess cream with a damp, soft cloth. For our third step, we'll apply the rejuvenating face mask. Spread an even layer of the mask across your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to work its magic for about 15 minutes, letting your skin absorb all the beneficial ingredients. Once the time is up, gently rinse off the mask completely using lukewarm water until your skin feels clean and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.